Anyway, but the breath of fire, when I first stopped imbibing in certain enhancements, I was still going out to like techno clubs and clubs, like with my friend. I was going out dancing. My friends are DJs. I would go into the bathroom stall and do breath of fire. This is like my favorite. This is like one of my favorite things of my like one of my like best things ever. I would go in the bathroom stalls and do breath of fire. Okay. Because we're out until like 3, 4 a.m. I was going into the bathroom stall to do breath of fire instead of going to the bathroom stall to do other things. But that powered me up. When I was leading a meeting, when I was doing speaking workshops, and I used to lead this entrepreneurial thing every week. I'm standing in front of a room full of people, like having meetings, doing things like that, teaching classes in person, like business classes, things like that in person. What was I doing? I was going into the bathroom beforehand and I was doing breath of fire before I was going to meetings, like sitting in my car, parking my car, doing a minute of breath of fire, and then like going into the thing. Zoom started, doing a minute of breath of fire before I turned on the camera. I don't necessarily do it in the same way that I did now, but now it's like if I feel I need a little boost or a little shift or I want to get my mind like right for something, like I'm going to do a minute of breath of fire beforehand. Okay. But I really love that I used to like go, I used to like be in the bathroom stall in a club doing breath of fire. Okay.